Welcome to Gator Globe online classes. Candidates, those who are appearing for various bank exams like IBPS Clerical Cadre, IBPS Probationary Officer, State Bank of India PO, State Bank of India Clerical Cadre, Staff Selection Commissions CHSL, CGL are required to have adequate knowledge in test of English language. Bank exams means 30 questions will be coming from English language. Staff Selection Commission means 25 questions will be coming. Today's topic for discussion is sentence correction. I would like to suggest the students, those who want to view this video are required first to go through www.gatorglobe.com and then go through parts of speech videos first. There are 5 parts in it. So any exercise related to English grammar, naturally you must be strong in basic grammar. There are 5 parts in that. After that, sentence correction, part 1 videos and part 2 videos also. After that, if you read this one, it will be very convenient for you to learn. Sentence correction. Here we are going to underline a word. Amount of money he made. This is what the question says. For the underlined phrase, from the given options, given 5 options, select the one which one will be grammatically and contextually correct. Let us see what to do. Everyone felt sorry for Kelvin. Kelvin is name of a person. Since his wife's immoderate. What is immoderate? That means abnormal shopping bills. That means she used to spend more money on shopping. That is the meaning. Immoderate. Not reasonable. Unreasonable, abnormal bills always exceeded the amount of money he made. What is the meaning of money he made? That is, he earned. That is the meaning. He made means he is not printing money. He is earned by means of salary, wages, etc. This is the statement. Shopping bills always exceeded. What is this one? This is past tense. Okay. So, which shall be correct? Amount of money he makes. This is present tense. Always remember subject verb agreement. This is very important. Subject is singular, verb should be singular. Subject is plural, verb should be plural. This is very, very important. Give priority of your focus on tense of that question. What is tense? Present tense, past tense, etc. Okay, then this is simply past tense. the amount of money he have made. First of all, after he have will never come. If at all comes, what it should come? He has made, it may come, or he had made, it may come. When have will come? I have made, you have made, they have made, it will come. In the case of singular, he, she, it, have will not come. So grammatically wrong. So this is also wrong. Try to learn elimination process. It will help you in selecting the correct option. Amount for money. This preposition is wrong. Amount for money means for some purchases. This is wrong. Amount. What is the quantum of money only you have to tell. The amount makes by him, present tense. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Then which is correct? No replacement is required. Why no replacement is required? This is in simple past tense. Amount of money he made. That is also simple past tense. Option E is the correct answer. See explanation. The given sentence is grammatically correct and contextually meaningful. As the phrase given in bold completely justifies the grammatical and contextual structure of the sentence, it does not require any correction or replacement. Hence option E becomes the most suitable. But I gave more explanations to you how to eliminate also. Question number 11 to 15. Read the instructions carefully. In the following questions, a sentence is given. Some parts of the sentence are given in bold. Okay, which may have grammatical or spelling error, or they may be contextually incorrect. Two columns A and B are given. Column A consists of bold parts of the sentence and column B consists of the appropriate replacement for the bold parts. Okay, here in these questions underlined portion was already given, right? That is amount of money he made. Instead what they are doing, here given these are the underlined words. Okay, column A. Then the replacement here. Then we have to see which one is correct. That we have to find out. Okay. Appropriate replacement for the bold parts. Match the, because of the appropriate replacement, match the correct replacements. If the sentence is correct, mark no error as your answer. Okay. Question number 11. Entrepreneurs have been regarded. So that means what? This is an underlined phrase. This is an underlined, which are motivated and rewarded because they contribute in terms of conditions for a prosperous society. What is the replacement required? Okay. Okay. First we will finish this one. Entrepreneurs have often regarded as national assets, which are motivated and rewarded to the greatest possible extent, mainly because they contribute in terms of innovation. What is innovation? New jobs, and improve the conditions of a prosperous. Prosperous means wealthy. Prosperous. Prosperous, growing, wealthy society. Now we see entrepreneurs have often regarded. Entrepreneurs are often regarded. Whether I have to fit this one or with this one. Okay. Here one sentence, from here I have to take, just to see how we are going to take. D4. What is a D4? Here D4. Conditions for a prosperous society who are motivated and rewarded. So this is certainly not matching. B2. Which are motivated and rewarded. Which are here. Which is here. Here because they contribute in terms. But take A1. Entrepreneurs have often been regarded. Okay, we change here. Have often been regarded. Okay, you add BEN. Been regarded. How I have to replace? Conditions for a prosperous society. Okay. Then these are four conditions. Entrepreneurs have often been regarded, okay, who are motivated. See, entrepreneur means what? They. It is not a company owners. Okay, here which are motivated is there. Which are motivated is wrong. Which, when we will be using, third parties only we will be using. Agree nahi. That is, for human beings, we should not use entrepreneur, this which. We have to use who only. Suppose non-living things, we can use which. Living things, we have to use who only. So, option C is the correct answer. That is, see, what does it say? Entrepreneurs have often been regarded, okay, then because they, B2, because have been regarded who are motivated and rewarded. This one and this one is the correct one. The sentence can be corrected by replacing the phrase A and B with 1 and 2 respectively. Phrase A creates contextual error. How should be replaced by or. That is what I told you. Which should be replaced by who, because who is a pronoun and is used as the subject or object of a verb to show which person you are referring to. I told you that is entrepreneurs. That is the subject of the verb. Since banks have professional and specialized status, they are in a strength position to advise entrepreneurs. Okay, entrepreneurs means what? Industrialists, small industrialists, small scale industries and other companies, those who are running, owners of those companies, they are called entrepreneurs. Sustainable lines, sustainable, bearable, okay, SUSTAINABLE, sustainable, that means bearable, withstandable lines of investment by analyzing the to and fro of each investment. Okay, to and fro means what? Actually, to and fro, when we will tell, we will use this one when you are in traveling only. Okay, to and fro. What is the to and fro fare? From here to Tirupati. That is up and down. Outward journey plus return journey. Whether it will be used here, this is wrong usage. As well as management of investment of customers. Okay, now, for what is the first option? D4 and B2. Of investment of customers, they are in a storm. Okay, whether this is of investment of customers, where I have to put to and fro. Of investment of customers, along with this one, he is trying to use they are in a storm. This is not correct. Then B2 and C3. B2, they are B2, C3. Okay, just to see. They are in a strength. They are in a strength position. B2 and analyzing the, I told you, by analyzing the pros and to and fro is to be removed. Pros and, here what is it? Cons. What is pros and consequences? Consequences means outcome. That is good and bad. Consequences means good thing and bad thing. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B. B2 and C3 you replace. They are in a strength is the correct one. Then from there if you take for this underlined position which is to be matched, the matching is to be done by analyzing the pro and consequences of. Okay. Rupees 91,000 in grants as well as 91,000 in grants as well as additional non-financial support, okay, has been awarded to local change makers to the finals of the 2018 Malta Social Impact Awards. Okay, then 91,000 in grants as well as additional non-financial support as well as having awarded to local change. See, they were always used, they were provided in is wrong. They were or they are provided with facilities. Okay, provided with grants. That means 91,000 in. That is, what is this one? A. Next, C3. Just listen. Here 91,000 in. Additional non-financial support has been awarded to the finals of the. Okay. C3. What is C3? C3 it says has been awarded. D4 at the finals of the. Whether this pair matches correctly we will see. 91,000 grants as well as additional non-financial support has been awarded, okay, to local finals of the awards. That is, there it is, at the finals of the, to the finals, no, at the finals of the is the correct answer. The statement can be corrected by replacing the phrases C and D with 3 and 4 respectively. C and D. C and D to be replaced with 3 and 4. You have to. That is, has been awarded, it should be modified as have been awarded. C you have to modify with 3. D you have to modify with 4. How? Grants as well as additional support, whether it is singular or plural, this is one part, this is one part. So has been is to be replaced with have been. And here to the finals is done. Local change makers at the finals. That means option A is correct. You change C with 3. Then D with 4. That is the correct answer. C 3 and D 4 is the correct answer. To make the connection and distinction, among economic growth and human development is important. Just listen. Is important for India where a wrong choice can alter the development future of the nation. To make the connection and distinction among economic growth and human development is important for India where a wrong choice can alter the developmental future of the nation. One by one we will see. C. A. To make the connection. Here, what is to be underlined? To make the connection. What is telling? C3. Suppose C is to be replaced with 3. Where a wrong choice? Which a wrong choice? This is not correct because where a wrong choice is correct. Then B2, just to see among economic growth. Here between economic growth. Okay. Distinction among economic growth. B2. Okay. Whether B2 change is required or not. Here among. When among will be used. Among will be used when more than 3, more than 2 only you have to use among, more than 2. There is no conflict among Ravi, Sekhar and Kumar. That is correct. There is no dispute between Sundar and Sekhar. Only 2%. That means what? B2 definitely has to be changed. Among economic growth, between economic growth. This is correct. Okay. But what about A1? To make the connection. To make. He is making us infinite. But here you make it as a noun. Making the connection and distinction among economic growth and human development is important for India, where a wrong choice can alter the economic development future of the nation. That is option C is correct. That is A1 also. A has to be replaced with 1. B has to be replaced with 2. A has to be replaced with 1. This is correct. Then B has to be replaced. That means option C is correct. That is the same explanation they have between us, between just now I told you. Even though the agrarian, what is agrarian? That is agrarian relates to agriculture. Agrarian relates to agriculture. Just 1 second. Agrarian relates to agriculture. Crisis, problem has taken a political turn with every party trying to portray. What is portray? P-O-R-T-R-A-Y. Portray means project. P-R-O-G-E-T, itself as the savior of, that is as if they are protecting, savior means who saves, of the farming community. There is no serious thought from any of them on how to revive. Revive means repair it, rectify the, revive, rectify, repairs. We are telling the agrarian economy. Then has taken a political turn. Whether it is correct or not, whether it, one by one we will see. Okay, what are the things here? He says C is to be replaced with 3, D is to be replaced with 4, whether it is required. C, there is no serious thought, there is no serious thought. It is to be replaced with not serious thought. No, there is no serious thought means that is correct. It itself is negative. So C3 need not be replaced. That means what? This sentence is not correct. You need not check D4 because 1 is wrong means the entire sentence is wrong. B2, whether any replacement is required. 2, portray itself as the savior. 2, portray themselves as the savior. Whether repayment is replacement is required, not required, because it is not telling about politicians. It is telling every party only. Party means what? Itself only. Party people, party men, party, political party people, then themselves will come. Party, that means itself only it will come. That means B2 repair is nothing need to be required. Then A is to be replaced with 1 is tell. Has taken a political turn. Had taken a political turn. This is about the present scenario. Hence, past perfect tense is not correct. A1 is not required. None of the given options are correct. That is, options itself is wrong. That means no error. Whether we will read it. If there is any error or no error, even though the agrarian crisis has, even though agrarian crisis singular has taken a political turn with every party trying to portray itself, because it is party, as the savior of the farming community. There is no serious thought from any of them on how to revive the agrarian country. That means there is no error at all. Option E is correct. As the highlighter of the given sentence is correct and do not require any corrections or replacements, hence option E is the most suitable answer choice. Next, question number 16 to 20. In each of the following questions given below, a sentence is given with some bold words which may contain errors. Below each of the sentences, a table is given with 2 columns in which column A consists of list of bold words, column B the suggested corrections are listed. Same thing like previous questions. You have to choose the best alternate among the 4 given options. If no correction is required against the given bold words, mark E, that is none of the above as your correct answer. Okay. Now just like we saw 10 to 15 questions, the major attempts the major attempts which states will be rated on is their success in reducing the cost of farm inputs. Reducing the cost of farm inputs by distributing soil health cards and encouraging organic farming and micro irrigation. These are all related to agriculture. Risk levitation measures carry a 15% weightage, while increased productivity and investment in agriculture carry a 10% weightage. That is a risk weightage they are giving for anything. Okay. Column A consists of, that is, here it should be increment. Okay. Investment, increment one part. Column A consists of attempts, reducing, levitation, investment, parameter, alluring, mitigation, increment. Okay. See, 1 attempts and 5 major. See what is, that is what replacement it is required they are asking. So these questions appear in the case of probationary officer questions. Okay, 1 and 5. That means what I have to do here, attempts is that this attempts is to be replaced with what? Parameter. What is the meaning of parameter? Parameter means a standard set for performance achievement. Okay, you reach 100 crore deposit, that is the deposit parameter. Okay, 1 is to be replaced with 5. 3 with 7, levitation, mitigation. Okay, mitigation, mitigate, to reduce. 3 and 7, it is to be replaced. Where is 3? 1, 5. 3, levitation, where reduce in cost of inputs by distributing. Irrigation carries which are increase productivity and investment agriculture. Will be written and introduce the cost of farm input by distributing soil health and encourage organic farm and micro irrigation. Okay, risk levitation measures. Okay, risk reduction. That means levitation is incorrect, mitigation is correct, option A is correct. And option A is correct. Obviously, you need not see. Suppose 2 and 6. What is 2? Reducing, increment, it does not fit. 1 and 5, attempts. What is 1 and 5? That is correct. But 3 and 7 is also there. 1 and 5 is correct. 3 and 7 is also correct. But what is the problem? You cannot mark answer C or D because both are correct. That's why option A is correct. The paragraph is talking about the new index, soil health card, to check ease of doing agribusiness. Levitation, the action of rising or causing. Whereas mitigation means reducing, that is opposite of levitation. Levitation, increase. Acceleration, the action of rising or causing something to rise. And hover, hover means increase in the air. Typically, that is sky height. Hover means top level price increase. Mitigation, the action of reducing the severity, seriousness or painfulness of something. Alluring, alluring means powerfully and mysteriously attractive, fascinating, entertaining, fascinating, seductive, inclement of the weather, extreme cold or wet, that is called inclement. Levitation is totally out of context to the one, because levitation means what? It is raising there. Hence option A is the most suitable answer choice. So here what are the important vocabulary that also we should learn? Here 1, learn this one, levitation. Levitation, L-E-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, levitation. That means raising. The action of raising, mitigation, reduction of mitigation of pain, reducing the pain. Alluring means very fascinating, very attractive. Inclement, that is unpleasantly, extreme, inclement, extremely chill or wet condition. So these words vocabulary also should be, we can learn meaning. A geographical indication, that is called a GI. Expansion of GI is geographical indication, or a GI is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin. Just like we give ISI brand mark, no? Similarly GI. And possess qualities or a fermentation. Or fermentation that are due to that origin. Such a name conveys an assurance of quality and robustness which is essentially attributable to its origin in that defined geographical locality. Then what are the things we have to replace? 1. 4 and 8. Origin. Whether origin is to be geographical origin, whether it is correct or not, it is correct. Geographical origin means there it starts. So no replacement is required. 4 and 8 you need not replace. 2 and 6. Fermentation and omission. Fermentation and reputation. Fermentation and reputation are totally different. So replacement is not required. 1 and 5. Products, services. Okay. Whether it is talking about GI is on, not on services. It is on products only. That is tangible goods only. Hence, this is not required. Then what? 2 and 6. Let us see what is 2. Okay, very good. 2 and 6. Fermentation, reputation, where it is. Let us see. They have a specific origin on qualities, or that is a good quality. What we are telling? Good quality. That is reputed. It is a reputation. So 2 and 6 is correct. The thing is, not only 2 and 6 is correct, but 3 and 7 is also correct. Distinctiveness and robustness is correct. Hence option D. Here also we'll note down the meaning of fermentation. The chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast or other microorganisms. That is how milk is converted into curd. That is called fermentation process, which is totally out of context of the given stanza. Robustness, ROBUSTNESS. The quality or condition of being strong and in good condition. That is when it is a good condition, that is called robustness. When it is in a good condition. Distinctiveness, the quality of being individual or easily distinguishable. That is, this is the best quality. This is an ordinary quality. That means, can't I identify this one? I can identify. There will be quite a lot of difference between this one and this one. That is called, which can be differentiated. This is distinguishable. Hence, option D is the most suitable answer. Here, what are the vocabulary we can read? Fermentation and robustness. Fermentation means chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast and other microorganisms. Robustness, remember, quality or condition of being strong in good condition. In American Spanish, the capitalized term il niño refers to the boy. In American Spanish, il even niño refers to the boy. So claimed because the pool of warm water in the Pacific near South America is often at its warmest around Christmas. During Christmas time, it will be the warmest. The original name Il Niño de Navidad traces its origin centuries back, that is to olden days, to Peruvian fishermen who named the weather criterion in reference to the newborn Christ. You do not worry about the technical terms of this one. Okay, technical terms you need not worry. Then what are the things we have to change? Claimed. What we have to do? We have to go to that word refers to the boy claimed. Whether claimed is to be replaced or not. Okay, 1 with the 5, that is named. The boy refers to the boy so named. That means what? Claim is to be named as claimed. Better is named. That means 1 and 5 is correct. Then coming to 3 and 7, traces, braces. No change is required. 3 and 7 is not correct. 2 and 6, warmest. Warmest means just less than hot condition. It cannot be braces. So 1 and 5 is correct. What about 4 and 8? Criteria. For criteria, phenomena. Go to criteria. Who named the weather criteria? Criteria means this is the basic requirement like that. But phenomena means outcome. That means this is to be replaced. 4 and 8 also to be replaced. 1 is to be replaced with the 5. Answer is option D. Both 1 and 5, 4 and 8 are both are to be replaced. Okay. So prepare well. Always refer to www.guiderglobe.com for your education purposes, especially those who are appearing for competitive exams. This is the best platform for you to learn.